Hi there! Last time I told you about all the delicious food that we can make using powders. But how exactly do we handle powders in a production line? Well, it depends on what kind of production it is. And there are mainly three types. There is powder to liquid, liquid to powder, and powder to powder. So let's start with powder to liquids. That's when we dissolve powders into different kind of liquids. There are lots of reasons for doing this. You might want to change a liquid's composition or texture, or add flavors and nutrients. We do this to make things like fruit smoothies, chocolate milk, soups, sauces, and ice cream, just to name a few. To do this in a production line, we're gonna need equipment for things like tipping and unloading, pneumatic conveying, silos for temporary storage, and maybe even buffers and hoppers. But hang on, where do powders like these come from? Well, that's where liquid to powder comes in. Powder is made from liquids using evaporating and drying techniques. This process is used for dairy products like milk and whey powders, and also for nutritional and baby food powders. So there is a high level of hygiene involved. From evaporation and drying, we need powder handling equipment, like pneumatic conveyors, storage solutions, and packing solutions. Last but not least, we have powder to powder. Here, the end product isn't a liquid. Basically, we combine two or more powders to create a powder mix. You see a lot of examples of powder to powder products every day. Bouillon cubes, dry soup mixes, noodles, or the spice packets that comes with them, biscuits, cereals, candies, and cake mixes. A typical powder-to-powder line might have solutions for tipping and unloading, all kinds of pneumatic conveying, dosing, mixing, and maybe even a little bit of grinding. And then of course it all needs to be packed. All three of these processes are part of a bigger production line. In fact, they're often part of the same production line, where they come together to create delicious food. Or, if you lose a bet with your child, you can mix three of them at random and be forced to drink it. Cheers! This is actually pretty good.
Oh.
Little monster. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you know a little bit more now about the three main types of powder handling. And have fun learning more about the wonderful world of powder.